Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video on the channel. And in this video I will be discussing my trade that I have been opening here on Litecoin that is going to potentially give me 44% returns. And as well we will be looking at the symmetrical triangle here on the Litecoin pair that can be of course helping us to push up the price towards the $250 in order to reach our price target. As well we will be going into the momentum on the MACD here. We will be as well discussing the 1 hourly candles where we have been seeing of course a W shape have been forming, and as well right now we have been retesting the neckline. What it can be of course the confirmation of course a rally towards the upside. As well we will be discussing the Litecoin compared to Ethereum valuation, of course the Litecoin compared to Bitcoin valuation, and of course my trade that I have been opening, and I will be giving you all the details about this one as well here. So guys, if this sounds interesting, make sure to let me right now know first in the comment section, do you like these videos where I am discussing trades here, and do you would like to see more trades here frequently on the channel getting opened? It would be amazing if you can let me know that in the description of course. And while you're already in the description, make sure to as well right away smash up these likes, and of course hit that subscribe button here on the channel. So guys, without further ado, let's go right away into the video and let's discuss the 4 hourly candles here on the price section of Litecoin. So guys, what have we been seeing here on Litecoin? Litecoin has been showing us a very bullish bias pattern here because we have been seeing a potential breakout towards the upside, and we have been forming for us a beautiful W structure here on the 4 hour. What we have right now been successfully retesting last few hours. So that is of course the main reason why I'm right now making a dedicated video about it, and of course one of the main reasons as well why I of course opened up this position. So yeah, guys, first of all, we were seeing, of course, Litecoin showing a sign of a breakout, showing a sign as well of a very good level getting supported. And after that, of course, because Bitcoin retraced a little bit, it was getting pushed a little bit back here right now. And it is, of course, currently getting a rejection by this resist line on the top side once again here. So yeah, we were seeing a fake out, but right now we're still getting respected very strong here by this level over here. And yeah, we are seeing, of course, a beautiful W getting structured. And of course, this W as well, guys, is already giving us a very beautiful price target. And let me discuss the W price target for you. The W price target will be already around to $200 coming together with the psychological level of $200 round number. This will be of course already in 16% surge here, and this will be already worth it in my opinion to trade. But as well, if we're going to break this resist line, guys, if we're as well going to break the resist line or of this downward slope resistance channel that we have been sitting in, this can be potentially as well lead towards this price surge towards the $253 because yeah, we have been consolidating and we have been seeing of course 2, 3, 4 touch points getting created on this level, and as well 2, 3, 4 touch points on the lower side getting created. So this is showing us a very significant pattern, and this can be really helping us to push up the price towards the upside. So yeah, that's also one of these reasons why I'm currently in the trade. Two things coming together. Personally, I do think this resistance line it will be getting broken as well, with the momentum right now becoming more and more bullish behind Bitcoin, can be for sure helping the Litecoin price action as well here. So yeah, these are one of the reasons why I opened the trade here. And let me as well discuss real quickly the momentum behind the current price action of Litecoin. So as you can see here, we are literally right now seeing a bearish crossover coming in here. We are seeing a bearish crossover getting utilized here on the price action of Litecoin compared to US dollar. But guys, what can you see over here? We have been clearly setting a higher high structure here as well with higher lows getting utilized. So we are seeing, of course, higher lows getting formed here, higher highs getting formed here, momentum definitely towards the upside. And right now, of course, we are sitting at these lower stages. And if we're going to create, once again, a higher low, guys, this is going to be extreme bullish here. And I mean, even though that we are seeing a bearish crossover, guys, this doesn't necessarily have to be bearish because we are still for clear an uptrend, and the selling pressure is cooling off every single time and the buying pressure is increasing. So as well coming together, guys, with the W, I think it's a very clear level that we're right now trading on, and we can be easily because we're seeing a bearish close right now curve once again back towards the upside and just continue the trend even further. So yeah, the MACD is still looking healthy. It is, of course, signifying that the trend is for sure towards the upside. So for me, there is absolutely no reason to worry and no reason to be panic here on the 4 hourly candles. And if we're then as well going to go in towards the 1 hourly candles, guys, it is as well giving me some signals that we, just want to be feeling very excited about it, because yeah, the 1 hourly candles, of course, clearly as well showing us that we have been seeing a recovery phase getting started here with a higher low. Of course, the neckline getting rejected several times, once breaking through it, right now finding support on it. So yeah, this structure is one of the most bullish and one of the most clear structures to trade here. And I do think we are right now still holding on to the supportive line over here. And if you're really willing to accumulate the position as well here, like I've been saying, because I've been adding more to my position every time we're falling back towards these ranges. But yeah, you can be definitely opening a position right the $174 towards the $171. So that's of course a strategy that I am using currently to build up my bigger position on Litecoin. I mean, I will be for sure taking this trade here. It's not my biggest trade that I'm taking here, but I mean, I can't sit on the sidelines if I can here get, of course, a potential 40% run up towards the upside, and I definitely don't want to be missing out on that one. So yeah, looks pretty healthy here. Of course, we have been seeing a very significant decrease while the RSI is as well been cooling off here, and this can be potentially lead to, of course, very insane bearish divergence that we can be potentially create here, of course. But I mean, previously we were not so overextended. We were only sitting on 74 in the index, so yeah, we can be easily, of course, go back towards these targets and retake levels of overextended territorium. So as well, if you're right away enabling the EMA ribbon, guys, you can see currently still the EMA ribbon on the one and only is bullish. We're still finding support on the EMA ribbon, so this is as well helping us to push up the price here. It's coming together with the the previous resist target right now, retest the support. I do think we're going to create this volatility towards the upside in a very rapid pace here, and I do think this $200 is going to get reached here anytime soon. So that is of course one of the reasons why I'm making this update video for you guys. I want to be raising the awareness, and I want to have you guys on board as well here. So as well, it's not only the EMA ribbon that is of course flipping bullish on the 1 hour, because as well on the 4 hour you can see, guys, this one has been flipping green once again here since a very long time here, and as well finally we're trading above it once again. And we are respecting this level already several times as support right now. So yeah, beautiful to see the EMA ribbon once again. Previous resistance right now helping us to create this uptrend and push up prices. This is of course beautiful to see. And guys, we also have to know here, it really depends on, of course, if Bitcoin is going to increase in valuation, it's going to be Litecoin as well that's going to follow. And because of course, I don't know if you haven't already seen it, but guys, make sure to check the previous video that we have been uploading on the channel. But that video, of course, I've been giving you guys my argument about Bitcoin, and I personally feel extremely excited about Bitcoin because Bitcoin can be potentially move higher, and as well with Litecoin giving us such a good structure here, it is definitely providing us opportunities to take this long trade on it. So as well, guys, multiple reasons I have been saying several times, you always want to be looking at the comparisons of the different charts here, and yeah, we have been seeing Litecoin compared to Ethereum is clearly in a downtrend. And as well, if we're looking to the immediate short term, guys, we can be potentially already look for a breakout in this falling wedge. We created another falling wedge here, what we have been breaking out of. So yeah, we have been breaking out of this resist target over here on the top side already. So this, of course, a very beautiful thing here that we have been seeing this breakthrough of this level. And right now, this can be potentially as well lead towards us rising towards the upside of the channel for the Litecoin compared to Ethereum valuation. But yeah, general speaking, it has been in a very significant downtrend. But for me, this is, of course, as well giving me opportunities to gain a lot from it. And personally, I do think, it's a bullish bias pattern that we are seeing. Downward slope support line, downward slope resist line coming towards an apex anytime soon here. And then we will be seeing, of course, a squeeze towards the top side around the 21% of an Ethereum. So yeah, I do believe that Litecoin can of course still see insane rallies towards the upside, and I do want to be saying that you want to be prepared for it, and that is of course also these reasons why I am opening this trade here. And as well, yeah, Litecoin compared to Bitcoin has been decreasing also ever so slightly. But as well, guys, we are right now once again trading on these beautiful levels of support because, first of all, you can see, if I put it on the 3-day candles, I think it's better to look at it on the 3-day candles. You can see falling wedge getting created. We already broke out of it, retested it already. This is, of course, a bullish bias pattern once again. And this is as well providing us opportunities to, of course, still play this one towards the 1% of a BTC valuation. And coming together with the Ethereum chart, I definitely think we can be seeing this potential rewards coming in here. And of course, mainly with my trade that I'm opening here, I will be taking definitely good profits once we're reaching the $200. But mainly the trade that I'm opening here is based on the US dollar valuation, and of course based on this beautiful 1 hourly chart here for the W recovery. And of course you can see the W recovery as well here, very clear on the 4 hourly candle. So yeah, the trade is based on basically on the US dollar pair, and of course that is giving me very good signals that we can be potentially see higher prices. And that is of course the reason as well why I opened this trade here. I did it on Femex, and if you want to be joining me, I already gave you some numbers what you can be looking out for in order to do so. But always, guys, you have to know there's no financial advice here. Always trade at your own risk here. But this is going to be a potential very good driver for for this trade that we are right now looking at. So yeah, looking forward towards this one already, and I can't wait to see what we're going to have here. And I will be for sure, guys, keeping you guys up to date about the significant trade here, because personally I do think that we can be seeing, of course, insane amounts of volatility towards the upside. And of course, you want to be knowing it. You heard this once again first on the channel. And as well, if you're willing to trade here, I should also highly suggest joining this competition here on Femex, because our team right now have 30 members in it. And if you want to be joining this team as well here, where we're going to even take more trades here on Litecoin or whatsoever asset, make sure to go to the highest link in the description and join the team here in order, of course, to participate as well in this competition, so we can be winning, of course, this insane prize pool, because we're going to go for sure for the #1 spot, guys. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I gave you a quick update of what I think right now on Litecoin. Hopefully you guys are going to benefit from it. There are several levels that we will be looking at, and of course, if we're going to break out and if we're going to increase in valuation, I will be for sure taking profit along the way here with my trades. So guys, thank you so much for watching here, and I will check you guys in the next one here on the channel. Goodbye.